Hello again. I hope live is here. This network issue, one slide goes around and then this network issue is very fucked up. Once electricity gone, then I can't continue with the same live streaming. This is the liquidity for this thing, and if this liquidity gets and it didn't come to this level, and then we are going to miss a very good trade with a very minimum things. So try it out with a very nice execution on the market area. Yes, I executed. Keeping stop loss to this low, which is 1% of mine, and keeping stop loss for high, which is 1% of this target. So this would be our target and 5. Okay. Okay, cool. Trade is in. I am in the trade. Let's hope for the best. Yep, we came down. This candle denotes very high level of saying that this will goes to the stop loss, because this candle, look at this candle, no wick and breaking out this little demand, whatever we can, not a demand but the liquidity, yeah, the little demand here, yes. So you can analyze with the very, see, time is fractal, so you can go with the analysis of this also. So this might be the demand zone. This area broke this demand zone and went for this ride, right? So what point you will look for the demand zone to be a demand zone? This point it will come to this point, or this point it will come to this point. So this will be our sale zone from the 1 minute time frame sale. But don't always wait do for a 1 minute time frame unless it's break the 5 minutes demand or supply zone. But you can try out on your own risks. If this candle is the our entry for supply, and then sorry, then the last of this tip is the our, what we say, target. What if I told you that this market bounce back and break this level, or this level, sorry, I say, let me check which would be the supply for, okay, this level. What if like market breaks this level with a very nice impulse move, and then you can see upper side also. So that might also happen, or else it can go again, create this liquidity and went down and then go upside. We don't know what will market do. We are just playing on the probabilities, okay? Not every strategy is very 100%, or not every trader will make 100% money. So you need to accept your risk, and then only you need to go on the trade. Don't risk much more than, see, even I can risk 5% on this trade and then make it 5% in one trade go if it hits target. But what if like it hits stop loss and then you out of for the 5%, and then for to get this the 5% recover, you need to trade for a 10% on something. So that way, and then again you will feel okay, little fear and other stuff in your mind while trade is going on. So those things might get hampered into psychology. It happens with me, it will happen with every other human being who are trying to get on the trading terms. So let's hope this supply zone gets break with this impulse move, and then it will go for a longer stuff, longer long trade. Wait for it. This is the reaction you can see from supply zone, and if it goes like this from here to breaking this level, and then again if it goes and break this level, then we are looking at this. Or else if this goes like this, break this level, and then we are looking for this level to get done. These are the two scenarios we can see. It needs to break this before we come ending for our target area. So I will tell you one thing also. Look at this low and this low. It's not yet touched this low. Somehow some people or some theory is that there are seller and buyers, they have their own stops and every other stuff. It does work, but you never know that which one will be the, you know, this low or this low, or this low is protected. So yes, just give a little hope for your trade, that's it. You can't trade on those strategy, it just give you hope that your trade will might go to upward level. We'll keep it for 5 minutes. This is our supply, right? Yeah, it broke our supply on 1 minute. So what if, like I told you, that if you are looking for the trade again, so this might be our supply also. No, okay, this is our supply. So what if, like I told you, that if you're looking for a trade, then this will be our entry here. Entry would be here and trade would be this. And target will be this 1.5 pointers. So I'm deleting this stop loss, just keeping only this one. And we'll go for 5 minutes now. So yeah, almost it, it touched our 1 minute demand and then entry from this level, but uh, I am not taking this sort of trade. I am not that much of scalper. I am waiting for my one trade and that's it. One who had risk 50%, then he can risk here 150 50%, 0.50%. One who have risked 0.50%, then he must could have risked 0.50% here for this 0.50%. So he would have If it went upside level, then he could have managed to get that stuff. See, one can trade around, but I have my set of trades, so I don't over trade it. That's how I want to make sure my psychology stay at par. Go with the percentage for a trades, not with the amount. Yeah, risk amount as per your stop loss, but don't always see the amount dollars that you are seeing on your screen on your broker app. You might feel like, oh man, this is like $200, $500, but you are trading on the $1,000 account, or maybe sorry, $10,000 account, or maybe $1 lakh funded account. So you won't make it as if you see as a dollar amount or stuff. You need to make sure that it's basically percentage wise rather than amount trading. If you want to flip your accounts, then you can go for a dollar amount. I had flipped account. I did flip the account like 400% or 500%. But after that, it's very difficult to get into those trade psychology. Yeah. Come on, once you got a nice winning streak and you get into the more risk, you get into the euphoria level, and then you get into more risk, and then that stop loss get hits, and it came back to your 50% of that all which you have rose those account, and then again you risk same amount, and then damn, it's get blown up. It happened with me twice, but I even cleared it also. I made it again, but and then I closed. Was this strategy? the the amount of trade with this volatility, it won't be happening for me again, I guess. Yeah, I will risk. If I want to flip, then I will keep myself sane to the 5% of risking per trade. If that account is for like $2,000 account or $5,000 account, even for $10,000 account, I might go for a 5% risk. 5% is max risk you can take on your own live account or whatever. Above that, it's just crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. too much noise from neighbor's house. Sorry for it. The chit chat noise. So have you seen this now? If you would have been trading this level, then you have already hit your profit target. See, yeah, already hit your profit target like this. From here to here. As I told you, always if you are not in a confirmation zone, then get out of the profit at 90 or 90% of that trade. Sorry, 90% of that profit range to the target price. 10% you can see that it might go or not. It will go eventually because I am waiting for 5 minutes, so you should keep it as they are. But the stop loss is this, na. That's why I told you to check this. So whoever have took these profits, they are right now at a break even, although. So that's how we can trade for 1 minute stuff. So I am deleting now this. So let's wait for, now we'll go for 5 minutes. How it's going to go for our target? We are waiting for it. It's 1 o'clock right now. No other trade, just bus. So the reaction we got, and then now we need to have a movement, but the movement is not giving us right away. So sometimes it feels like closing your trade. Sometimes you feel like no, it's going upside. Let it go. And sometimes you feel like it's not gonna work for us ever again. So you need to keep your mind sane. The empty stuff where you just can't allow your all other aspects of trading aspects while you are on a trade, or try to read some books or try to engage with some other things just as activity. Let that hit the target, or let that hit stop loss. You can keep target at this level as I speak here, right? Or you can keep here. So if you are on a machine, then on a trading desk, then wait for and do get out of it on what we say market order, or else keep this as a target if you want to go out of the machine. The trading desk, what I'm calling machine. Yeah, everything is machine nowadays, I think. So yes. So this will be the last purge of liquidity. I'm literally waiting for this. So this line I am going to draw for you guys. Below this line I am not gonna hold this trade, either if it goes to this level or this, sorry, if it goes to downside more, then I'm not gonna hold for this trade. I will get out of this trade. I'm just hoping it should not go below this line. So we'll go for 1 minute. Here we can see this might be the liquidity purge, and then again we'll see for supply zone which break this level. The supply zone would be this, and liquidity off, and this one would be the supply zone. It tend to break the very, in a very, what we say, impulse move. If it won't hold this, then may God bless us. I'm just kidding. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. You don't have to worry about it now only. Too much mosquitoes here. it broke our supply, and now it will come for retracement for this, what we call this, we will call as a supply. Yeah, the entry would be here. It got entered, and stop loss of 1 is to 5, 1 is to 5. Okay, I will just zoom it out. Don't entry here now. I'm just analyzing how much better it can get for our mind in a trade we are in. So don't enter right now. It will touch to your this level and that, but don't enter right now. So this also almost hit our target. Came back for our run. But it was not a trade. It was not a trade to enter. The first one is okay, but the third trade, I don't think so. I will be able to trade it. So don't ever do that stuff. I'm just giving you analysis how it should be trading on those stuff. was a trade. Got hit. So now we'll be waiting for our 5 minutes trade to go above. This is the strict stop loss, I guess. So, or maybe this line, yeah, this line is the best line. Okay, guys, I'm done with this training today. Sorry, live training today. So I already shared you my levels. So levels would be on a 5-minute chart. You are looking at this level. If it goes uh, if it goes below this level and just about to touch this level, and it goes reverse back, and keep this as a stop loss. Keep this as a stop loss because I already moved my stop loss to this level. I don't want to risk for more than that, so that's my take to it. So yeah, and waiting for the target to hit. So this will be the live trading for today, and I hope I can come by New York session also. So sayonara, don't overtrade. Just make sure that your trade goes to this, at least this level to get into profit, right? Yeah, level would be 2319. Yep. See you again. Bye bye.